Thank you. Why is that so fucking hard all the time? Okay. Start with that song. I'm actually gonna start with a different song. Hey Robert. Hey Robert.
Robert, please come to the front office, Robert.
I think Robert's here. I think Robert's here. Click it. E minor. E minor. E minor. As in eunuch. The problem is all inside your head, she said to me. The answer is easy if you take it logically. Now I repeat myself, wait. I'm here to help if you're struggling to be free. Must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. It's not really my habit to intrude. Furthermore, I hope my words don't get lost or misconstrued. But I'll repeat myself at the risk of being cruel. There must be 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. Just about the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Sam. Don't need to be coy, Roy. Just to get yourself free. Hop on the bus, Gus. You don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key, leave, and get yourself free. Why don't we... Wait, it's rude how great me to see you in such pain. Wish that there was something I could do to make you smile again. I said, I'm sure there is, but would you please explain about the 50 ways to leave your love. 50 ways to leave your love. She said, why don't we just sleep on it tonight? Perhaps in the morning you'll begin to see the light. She kissed me and I realized that she was probably right about the 50 ways to leave your lover. 50 ways to leave your lover. Just slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Sam. Don't need to be coy, Roy. Just to get yourself free. Hop on the bus, Gus. Don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key, leave. Get yourself free. Sing it with me now. Just slip out the back, Jack. Make a new plan, Stan. You don't need to be coy, Roy. Just to get yourself free. Hop on the bus, Gus. You don't need to discuss much. Just drop off the key, leave, and get yourself free. Yeah, thanks. I practiced that one over and over. I just pulled that whole thing out of my butt. Surprise all the way from there. Don't forget the donation box, you guys. Like the only way that we can actually do this is by donation, because we're all some broke ass homeless motherfuckers, for real. Okay, so any bit of your help, a donation, sweeping off the range stage, whatever. You know, telling your friend about the range, telling your friend to pick up an instrument and learn something sweet, or even giving $1 in this stupid fucking box. Like, it all helps, because we can't do this all on our own. If you don't like it, get up on stage and show me how to do it fucking better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I picked that up.
Robert back? Hey, Robert, come here! Robert. Sweet.
Hey, little head. Hey.
Nope, I'm not a jukebox. I do, yeah, I was actually gonna play that one too, but I was gonna do it on my own time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Also, yeah, we totally have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. Jordan over there has a YouTube channel. He also has Instagram. Hi, Jordan. Or no, you have an Instagram. Yeah. I never see you, man. Yeah, right. Yeah, that's what I do too. That's probably why we never run into each other, right? Yeah. But yeah, Instagram, Smashing Good Time. He does some really good stuff. Yeah, YouTube, blah blah blah. Instagram, blah blah blah. Facebook, blah blah blah. Like, slow down, you guys. The drivers that drive around here in your cars that could run over people and hurt people really bad. Just, especially here at Low, like where I live, because like my dog runs around, and we got like Aaron's kids over there and stuff at the rabbit hole. Remember I said about the rabbit hole? Like, slow down. You have nowhere to be. There's not, like, you're gonna be late to your learn how to be homeless better class or something. So, slow the f down. Okay. Alright. So I do some Tool on this banjo. I don't know if you guys know who Tool is. Tool's the shit. Tool's the shit.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you got it. There's a shadow just behind me, clouding every step I take, making every promise empty, pointing every finger at me, waiting like a stalking butler, who upon the finger rests. And now the past it cost me, just because the sun has come. Jesus, won't you fucking whisper something good the past has done? Jesus, won't you fucking whisper something good the past has done? Why can we not be sober? Just want to start this over. Why can't we drink forever? Just want to start this over. I am just a worthless liar. I am just an imbecile. I will only complicate you. Trust in me and fall as well. I will find a center in you. I will chew it up and leave. Now to elevate you, just enough to bring it down. Mother Mary, won't you whisper something good the past has done? Mother Mary, won't you whisper something good the past has done? Why can we not be sober? Just want to start this over. Why can't we drink forever? Just want want to start this over. I want what I want. 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 I am just a worthless liar. I am just an imbecile. I will only complicate you. Trust in me and fall as well. I will find a center in you. I will chew it up and leave. Trust me, trust me. Trust me, trust me. Why can we not be sober? Just want to start this over. Why can't we sleep forever? Just want to start this over. Yeah. So we should film that, send it to Maynard. I get free tickets to a Pussifer concert. Okay. Is that number 3? Is that third song?
I can't count.
I don't know, I can't count
Play as many as you want. Play as many as you want.
You can't tell me what's
Who's counting? Who's counting? Play as many as you want.
I think it was 2. I'm just trying to procrastinate, not do the song because I haven't really practiced it, but I told Alex that I would play it. And like I've told Alex that I was gonna go over their house like forever, every single day, but then I keep not doing it because my follow through is shit. Like my intentions are great, but my follow through is crap. Okay.
I resemble that.
Right. Straight up. If I say I'm gonna be there, I'm probably not gonna be there because I probably forgot about it. So don't make me say I'm gonna be there. Just take no for an answer. So I apologize in advance if I don't show up for some shit I said I was going to. We're playing like slow and it's hard to play slow. You know, I did. I was gonna do. I did. I was gonna do creep too. Get nervous, you guys. To get indigestion. Okay. Okay. I need that. Sorry. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So this is for Alex. Took a plane out of here. Couldn't stand the summer weather anymore. Didn't know I could feel so alone. I've always been alone before. Every time the seasons go, I feel the north winds blow. Sun ain't coming out again. It's okay, I've made it to the end. Goodbye, August. Hey, you all. Can't you see I'm headed for the fall? Wake up to an early rains, Denver storms, and a lot of my dreams. Cooler days, whiskey nights, making way for heartaches, white winter things. Pack up those memories and all those used to be's. Sun ain't coming out again. That's okay, I made it to the end. Goodbye, August. Hey, you all. Can't you see I'm headed for the fall? Sun ain't coming out again. Can't you see I'm at the end? August, hey you all, can't you see I'm headed for the fall? Okay, that's my first go at it.
Is that one that Alex wrote you?
What?
Is that one that Alex wrote you?
Yeah, that's what Alex wrote me, alright.
Fuck yeah.
It's about making it through the summer, cause like it's, so the chorus is, sun ain't coming out again, that's okay, made it to the end. Goodbye August, hey you all, can't you see I'm headed for the fall? Every time. Alright, sweet. Thank you guys for enduring that. Yeah, one more song. Thank you guys for listening to that. And thank you, Alex, for writing it. Right. Should have put my glasses on, I'll be able to see better. Be here always. Try the veal. It's great. Make sure to tip your waitress. You were here before. Couldn't look you in the eye. It's like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special, just like you, but I'm a creep. I'm a fucking weirdo. What the fuck am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna lose control. Perfect body. I want that perfect soul. I want you to notice. Hey dude, you're really distracted.